Why digital badges are important. As digital tools are becoming more popular, many professionals are looking for ways to stay relevant. Digital badges can be a great way to showcase your skills and achievements while also giving you the opportunity to gain recognition in your industry. In this video, we will be discussing digital badge basics, what they mean for business professionals, and how digital badges can help improve your professional image on social media channels. First, to discuss, digital badges are easily verified in real time. Digital credentials or digital badges provide an easy and accessible way to show off your accomplishments and training. They are digital representations of your skills and expertise. Digital badges can be verified in real time so you know when someone has been trained or certified, which is especially important for businesses with strict quality control standards. Digital badges protect your credibility. A digital badge makes it easier to showcase the work that you do as a professional while also protecting your credibility. Digital badges allow you to focus on what is most important, which means that digital professionals are free from having to continually prove their credentials and take care of formalities like certifications or degrees. Some businesses use them as rewards for employees, like good employee points, while others solely use digital badges to signify skill advancement and certification. It all depends on the organization. Digital badges, why they matter today. Social media plays an important role in today's digital world. With digital badges, these social media channels can help make your digital presence more credible and professional. Social media networks like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are all great places to share your digital badge with people you meet or interact with online, which is a key way of building credibility on various networking sites. So, how can you get one? Many online certification courses or workshops offer digital badges as digital credentials. Business and top leaders understand the importance of easily verified and clickable certifications, a move away from the world of paper. It's the best way to be data-driven and forward-thinking in how you share your higher education. The certification or learning outcome is one part of the journey. Open badges help you and others looking at your digital footprint follow your success once you share your badge. These badges are specifically popular with programs which cater to technology and business intelligence. For instance, many online courses and workshops offer a data science certification program which can explain applied data science without the burden of student debt and full-time classes. Incus Services is the best example of getting the most out of online learning, and we incorporate a digital badge program as part of our data analytics workshop package. Which means that at the end of the workshop you get a digital badge as certification. No paper, no hassle, and it will never get lost or misplaced. Whatever your case may be, we at Incus Services can help. For more information on digital badges, hop onto our website by clicking the link below.